Today I'm sharing with you a recipe that I make at least once a week. I love eating vegetables with anything and everything, so start off with a whole onion thinly sliced, then 10 cups of a medley of vegetables, literally any vegetables you like. I'm using broccoli along with sugar snap peas. And my favorite is green beans, specifically haricot vert, which are skinnier green beans, along with cauliflower. And you want to cut these into 1-inch pieces, only so that they can all cook at the same rate. What I love about this recipe is that it's a perfect side dish for literally any kind of entree that you serve. I do like using carrots in this recipe only because it gives it a nice pop of color. And I love using garlic chives as it gives it such a nice extra flavor to it. But I know garlic chives can be difficult to find, so if you don't have that, you can easily substitute it with green onions. So on medium-high heat in a wok, fry the sliced onion until they soften around a couple of minutes. Then add your medley of vegetables along with the garlic chives or green onions. Then you're going to season it with salt, pepper, sugar, mushroom powder, garlic powder, fish sauce, and medley or soy sauce. Toss to mix everything together. Add half a cup of water. Reduce the heat to low and cover the wok with a lid and let it cook for 5 minutes. Remove the lid, turn heat to high, and cook for another 5 minutes, tossing often. And there you go, you have your perfect side dish.